everybody.
Hello.
So we prepared this awesome Thanksgiving meal. Check it out, I'll link to it. And then we found out that half of our family is vegetarian. So we had to really quickly figure out a way to include them in the meal. So we found a replacement. This is 30 pounds of jackfruit. You already did your workout today. You can put it down. So jackfruit is a popular replacement for meat. It has, when cooked, it has a consistency similar to pulled pork.
So they say.
So they say. We don't know. We've never prepared it before. We're gonna do like a pulled turkey Thanksgiving dinner, but that's not all.
What else are you gonna do?
We're gonna do a cornbread jalapeno stuffing made with coconut milk. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, this is gonna turn out well. Never prepared this before. I've heard it gets super messy. We're gonna see.
So we bought this thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not kidding you, the cashier at the grocery store touched the bottom bit here and screamed like it was a horror movie.
Like it was Alien and something just popped out.
Yeah. So, I mean, we have to take this and turn it into a Thanksgiving meal, which is scary and exciting all at the same time.
Yeah, so we're hoping to bring out some savory flavors. Jackfruit supposedly has like a tropical, it's like if you took a mango and a pineapple and a guava and you married it together and a banana and something like that. So we're gonna try to make that into turkey using some herbs de Provence, some mirepoix, some other French stuff.
Yeah, I just like, because it tastes like this, it tastes like that, it tastes like this. It's like the chicken of the forest.
We'll also link to the research that we did. There's a lot of people doing really cool stuff with vegetarian recipes out there. We're not one of them, but hopefully after today we will be. Lots of cool people doing lots of cool stuff with vegetarian recipes. We're not trying to step on your turf. Just like I said, we're trying to do something nice for the family members that we love. Listen, man, we're not trying to start a war here between the omnivores and the herbivores. Stop. Cut! So everything that we've read about jackfruit says that it's very sticky, especially when you start cutting into it. And one of the tips that we found was to take some Pam and spray your knife with it and also spray the jackfruit with it. You can smell it as you cut into it. And I'd say it's got like a tropical funk to it. So we've split this thing open, and now the secret is removing the pods, because you want the fleshy part around the seed. Remove the seed, and you're left with this edible part. And that's what's gonna be the base of our pulled turkey. But I wanted to give it a try, because I've heard so many different things about what this tastes like. So here's a bit of the fleshy part. I like it. You know, I do taste the pineapple and mango that I hear people talking about. This is gonna be really interesting. I'm really excited.
cornbread stuffing is out of this world good. This is quite delicious. It tastes like Thanksgiving.
This dish actually works really well because we've got a little bit of the sweetness again from that fresh jackfruit. Heat coming from the jalapeno and the cornbread. We also put some cayenne in the jackfruit dish, so that heat is working really nice. And what you end up getting is a savory, sweet, Thanksgiving, cozy dish, and it's really nice.
Yeah, I agree. Best served right on top of the cornbread, just as we've presented it here. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.